Introducing the sleek 2023 AUDI A5 Sportback TDI S-Line in stunning blue. With only 20,000 miles on the clock, this 2-liter diesel engine semi-auto hatchback is packed with features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and ambient lighting. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible car. Contact us today or visit audicarry.ie for more information. Drive away in style and luxury with the Audi A5 Sportback TDI S.